Hello, and welcome to our presentation on Hail. Hail is a ride servicing application that connects taxi companies with customers looking for the easy, convenient, and cost-conscious services provided by taxicabs. Our application works directly with taxi companies and cabs to provide a live GPS map with available taxis. You can also search for cabs by your preferred taxi company. Also, our application allows you to book rides in advance and even allow customers to create a weekly ride schedule. The application will give taxi companies the competitive advantage they require to compete with ride services like Uber and Lyft. As for our channels, our main channels to reach our customers will be through social media, advertising, and marketing on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Our research has shown that this is the most effective way to reach our key demographic. We will also plan to reach customers through our application and its post-purchase services such as ride reviews and ride scheduling.
Our first customer segment are taxi companies, more specifically those in metro and urban areas. For example, we would be targeting the 589 taxi and limo companies serving New York City. There are over 1 million paid rides a day on average in the U.S. We would target the commuters and workers in highly populated areas, and we would make people aware of the app that is served and the benefits that it provides. We would build customer relationships through post-purchase service in the application. This means surveys and reviews and special offers to the customers. We would have automated contracts between the customers and the limo companies. We would have customer service, and we would provide this through the call center. This call center would service the taxi companies if they run into any issues with our software, and every user of our app if they run into any issues as well. And in addition to this, we would train all of the taxi companies how to use our software.
Hail's key activities are mapping key locations, developing software, identifying taxi companies in the given area, servicing applications, social media marketing, and the call center. Hail's key resources are software application, the call center, marketing services, patents, trademarks, and any kind of legal problems, the headquarters, and the taxi companies. The key partners of Hail are taxi companies, software developers, the lawyers legal team, marketing teams, social media websites and social media platforms, the call center company, credit card companies, and GPS location.
So for our cost structure, we're going to start off with a nice little call center. It's going to cost us approximately $270,000 in the long run. Also, we are going to have to pay for licensing and legal fees, and that should amount to approximately $30,000. Software and development and implementation should cost us approximately $50,000. Social media advertising should cost roughly $125,000. For a headquarters setup, we're going to need approximately $200,000 to set up a 150 square foot building. For application development and maintenance, we're going to spend approximately $40,000. GPS partnerships, we're going to spend approximately $18,000. And App Store entry fees, we're going to have to pay $1,000. So for our revenue stream, we have commissions. $1 a ride will give us approximately $1,095,000 in the next 3 years. Furthermore, we are also going to offer premium app sales that do not feature any advertisements. They're going to be sold for $2 each, and we're going to make approximately $5,000 off those as well. Finally, we have our advertisements, which companies could use to put through our media streams, and that's going to come through $5,000 as well. So overall, we do feel that this business will succeed. We do have a very high net income of over $200,000, and that's even with lowballing the numbers. Furthermore, we do know that there's plenty of customers out there, and our customer segment is very large in size.